She's gonna back up and sit down. That's what she does.
Okay, let's go, mommy.
Okay, now you gotta come over here. We're gonna sing happy. Come on, we're gonna sing happy birthday. Come on, little girl. Come on.
Careful, mommy. Okay, go.
Go over there. We're gonna sing happy birthday.
No.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear honey. Happy birthday to you.
How
old are you?
Are you 3? Are you 4?
Are you 4?
Yes, you are.
Look at your sister.
Gotta make her wish. Don't smile, mommy.
One more time. Come on, do it. One more time. One more time.
I know.
Yay!
For the 4
Good job.
I want a big slice without.
How old are you? How old are you, Mama? She's being shy.
Sure.
She's being shy.
Are you being shy?
A lot of people standing around yelling.
Whose birthday
Yeah.
is next? Ronnie's?
Can I have a big slice? I want a
April.
big
April?
After the birthday, holy
Now you smile. Now you smile.
Now you
Is she
smile?
afraid of fire? Maybe.
No, because we were singing.
Cats, that's for choose.
Oh, your mother doesn't sing to you all the time?
No.
Sing more again.
Where do
Oh. Oh. Wow.
Look at all the pretty.
Me and you say the same thing.
Great minds run the same path.
Yeah. Her uncle cut the cake for her. We had a lot of fun. I was loving that candle. It smelled so nice. Anyways, we had the cake, some cheesecake, some cupcakes. Then she got her presents. She was so excited about the presents. She opened all her gifts from everyone who showed up. She was so happy, I would say. She was so excited about the presents more than anything. But yeah, we had a lot of fun for her birthday. Did you enjoy your birthday?
Yeah,
Did you love your gifts? What kind of gifts did you get?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, all that? You got Moana?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and all of them.
Do you like your presents? Yep, so... Yeah. Do you want to be Moana? Yeah. You have Moana costume. Do you know that? Do you want to put it on?
Yeah, but I want to play with this.
You want to be a doctor? She has to take a photo with this. Yeah. After the party, we went as a family to get Nalani her presents, and of course, the baby got some presents as well from daddy. Yeah, they emptied his account.
Yeah, I just want.
Almost.
I want 2 presents.
They picked up presents and then went back home. It was
can-
late
I can
already,
get
so we
some
had to go
2
back home.
presents.
Dad said I can get something for that.
Something?
Yeah.
Are these the eggs?
Yeah. Why is it?
Wait, let me see.
They're mine.
No.
Can I buy
The eggs one was really cool.
Can I buy it, Mommy?
That's daddy. Daddy's getting it for you.
Yeah, no, honey, look around and see if this.
Look around for something else. Maybe you like something else. Spooky? No. What?
She said she wanted this. Too.
Oh no.
Okay, let's see. Look around, honey.
Is daddy getting you that one?
I need help.
You have too much. That's enough. What do you want, Mama?
Oh, of course, you grabbed the most expensive thing. You want
It's
that?
cute.
Yeah. Actually, this
Yeah.
is pretty cool. Okay, Pookie.
Hey, baby. Daddy got it for you. Cookie. Cookie. Anyways, the kids got their gifts and we went back home to my new mess of a life. And I had to hide some of the presents again because they make a lot of mess and they don't clean up. Yeah, that's the update.
I don't know.
So, guys, yesterday was my daughter's birthday. She turned 4. Yay. Let me tell you something. I had cleaned the whole house yesterday. I only had dishes to do. But I'm telling you, she got a lot of gifts and she was playing everywhere with her gifts. Right now, I just want to let me tell you something. I'm done. I am done. I've put away so many toys. It's like unbelievable. I've hid a lot of toys just because of the mess that the babies make. And sometimes she helps clean up, but sometimes she just flat out refuses to clean up her toys. So I put them away and only leave them to a few toys for them to play with. Tell me why every time I put away toys, they get more toys. So it was her birthday, she got more toys. And my house, let me just show you. This is after I cleaned up, guys. Look, toys everywhere. Um, toys, toys, toys going to the hallway. Toys everywhere. Toys under the chairs. Toys, toys. I brought this here, these totes, so I can put all the toys and then hide them again. Boxes of toys. Her dad got her last night. Look, this is a mess. Um, obviously we need a we're thinking of getting a bigger place, but I don't think we need a bigger place because what kind of mess will I have to clean up? I'm tired. I'm going to put all the toys away. Whenever she needs toys, I'll just put like a small box. Like the first time I did it, just left like a few toys. When she's done playing with them and she feels like she doesn't want to clean it, I force her to clean it because it's not a lot. But when it's too much, I'm just done. So it's just me trying to clean up. This is like the next day after her birthday, and right now it's like 5:49 p.m. It's really dark outside, so it's nighttime to us. Anyways, I'm just cleaning up. Look at my dishes. I did some of the dishes. I'm left with just this, and then I clean out the whole house again. So I don't think I need to record long videos because like I have to let me see. I have to edit, but I'm just going to record some and then I'll cut out in between. But I'm gonna do it as I watch my movies or my series. I was watching a series. Also, I'm not feeling so well. My back hurts so bad. So standing up for so long is just annoying, and I have to clean the whole house all over again. Anyways, it's what I signed up for, being a mom. I did the dishes after I was done. I decided to make dinner instead of keep cleaning. So yeah. So I'm ready to make dinner while I'm cleaning, but I finished the kitchen. Everything is clean over here. I cleaned the oven. So now I just wanna cook first. I wanna make dinner first before I start cleaning up the house, picking up toys and clothes. Because like it's 6:30 right now. I just want the food to be ready when I'm done, when I sit down. I don't want to finish cleaning and then sit down for a break and feel lazy to make dinner. But so I'm just going to do that right now before cleaning up the house. I'm going to make ugali and chicken stew. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. I think I'll make some. My husband got a lot of fruits. I think I'll have that, but this is the chicken. I need tomatoes, onions. Okay, I'm just gonna make dinner, then I'll come back to you. So, let me post this. Tomatoes. I'm gonna use this as well because I don't think I have onions. Oh my god. I don't think I have onions. I've been cooking a lot lately, so I don't think I have onions. I think I finished it the other day. But let me try. Maybe I have one left. Just a minute. Huh. Good thing we have I have some onion in the fridge that I can use. Let me see. I have this with beef stock. I wish I made this with the beef. But I also have some that I fried a while back, so I'm just gonna use that. Thank god I saved it. So this is my stuff. Onions, these two. This one has beef stock in it. Tomato, I use 2, and then I add like a half a cup of diced canned tomatoes. And then I'm gonna use, obviously, hata kama ni kuku, I'm going to put that in it. So mixed spices. This mixed spices, it's no, oh, thank god I found it. So I'm not gonna use the other one. I found this one. I have onion powder, so I'm not gonna use this one with the beef stock. I'll save this for later, for something else, maybe with beef. But thank god I have this onion. I have some of this. I'm gonna use some garlic powder. I need salt. So this is just the can opener. Yeah, I hope I'm recording. I'll be talking that much and I'm not doing anything. I don't know if you guys can see me at all, but before starting to cook, I like preparing my stuff just so when I start cooking, it's just like a go thing. I used to get scared to I used to get scared of using this can opener. I don't know why. I thought like I'll do something wrong. So right here, I just keep talking and talking and talking and talking about like how tired I am. My back aches. I was just ranting and complaining about how like I have to clean and do everything and stuff like that. Just being a mom. I'm really tired. Anyway. I don't know if you're getting me, but yeah, that's where I am right now. That's how I'm thinking right now. But I mean, they're growing up, and it's, I don't know, it will get better. It will get better once they're grown and they can clean up after themselves. They can make the mess they want, but clean up after themselves. My daughter actually does it. My firstborn. She does clean sometimes when we tell her to clean after herself, but sometimes she throws a tantrum because she doesn't want to clean, and she made a mess. Like today, she doesn't want to clean. She threw a tantrum, and I decided I'm going to put away the toys. So I'm going to put away the toys and leave her some, then just the new ones to play with. Anyways, the tomatoes are ready. Oh my god, baby. Cookie. No. My tomatoes are ready. I'm going to cut the chicken into small pieces. After I'm done with the chicken, now I'll start cooking. Oh, I can just start while yeah. I'll start now cooking while I'm preparing. What is that? I'll start cooking while I'm preparing my chicken because it's just cutting it into pieces. Anyways, get to you soon. Alright guys, I just woke up from my nap. It's 3:50 p.m. and so today I haven't done anything at all because I don't feel like myself. I just feel tired and lazy. But the last 2 days, well, also I didn't do anything, but I maintained the house clean. I cleaned the house the next day after doing the dishes. The next morning I just cleaned up and everything was neat and it looks nice also right now. It's been 2 days and right now I don't feel like doing anything. I don't know why. I just feel extremely lazy, so I haven't done anything. But I'm going to cook dinner. Cooking makes me feel good and recording. So I'm going to make nafikiria kupika chapati, but I need to call my husband to bring me enough flour, more flour. I don't know if I have enough, but I have some. If it's enough, then we'll just go buy it maybe tomorrow or the next day. But I want to make just squib. I want to cook chicken stew and chapati. I'm craving chapati honestly, na nimekaa bila kula chapo. So that's what I'm going to cook and I'll show you around. As you can see, the mess is completely gone. The house is clean apart from that toy over there. See, I cleaned everything. Baby, no. Pookie,